What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to explain to you completely how I replaced the tube and the belt on this snowblower. So if you have something similar to this, this is here's the CC on this engine, 196 cc's. Alright, so pure gas, you don't have to mix oil or anything. That's what I'm using here, and this is up for sale. I'm selling it for around like 300 bucks, and I'm not taking any bargain, so maybe I will, but I'm not sure about that. But anyways, tube went out on this, so I did replace the tube. As you can see, the valve broke off, so I bought a new one. So here's the part number on this. All right, there it is, and that's the brand. Got it for like almost like 11 bucks. All right, so the number on the tire is you're gonna see it upside down. It's a 4.10-4, and it was very simple for me to remove this, but I did the opposite side one. Okay, so on the opposite side right here, this is the one I changed. So pretty much you jack it up, okay? Put something underneath, a block of wood or something, but from back here you need to hold the bolt from back over here. You hold the bolt. Once you hold the bolt, that's when you're gonna turn the nut. All right, you see, if you take off the bolt here, it's not gonna do you any good. This one doesn't have a bolt. There's supposed to be a bolt there, so I'll look something up. But anyways, this one won't do you any good. And make sure that your tube comes out from right there. Removing this is not gonna help you, but if you take off the 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, hold them from the back. All right, you can spin the wheel, and so it's more easier, because this is the easiest point right here. This plate is gonna come out. You take your new tire, our new tube, put it in the tire, put it right through that hole. Do not inflate it yet. All right, make sure it's sitting perfectly even. You don't want to be crooked. And then you put everything back together. That's how simple it is to change a tube on these. All right. But other than that, the belt is going to be a common problem with you guys. Okay. So it's going to be very common that your belt is going to go. Eventually it's going to go. All right. And the reason it's going to go is because you got too much snow stuck in the thing, and everything is jammed up and it doesn't want to turn, and it's going to eat up the belt. It's not like anything's wrong with your blower. As you can see all the dust here, that's a previous belt that broke off. So I will put it, I will show you exactly where I got this from on eBay, but you can search it up. If I can find it, I'll show you. But other than that, to do this belt, you're gonna remove this bolt and remove this bolt. Oh, first of all, you're gonna have this cover on the top. There's gonna be a big fat cover right here. That one's gonna have a number 10 here, and there's gonna be a bolt on the opposite side, right there, number 10. And then you can lift up the cover, just lift it out of there, it comes out. And then take off these two bolts right here, 1 and 2. And then, like I showed you here, 1 and 2. Slowly move this forward, because your belt is not gonna come out unless you move this forward a little bit. And all you need is like a 2 inches, not even one inch gap, and the belt will slip right on. Once you have it on, make sure your adjustment is good, because when you're pulling on this lever here, I'm sorry, the red one here, all right, and that's connected to that. And once y'all watch one, I'll pull this. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is what happens. That's the tensioner. Even the tensioner you can adjust, okay, and you want to check your pulley too. If your pulley looks bad, you want to change the pulley. All right, but anyway guys, if you need more information, and a lot of times you do want to check other things, like as I was working with this, you see this, my pin fell out of there, and so I'll put a bolt this time. I'll lubricate in there, and I'll put a bolt right there, because you see only one side was turning. It stopped blowing too much, picking up too much snow, and I was having a hard time. But anyways, check a few things, okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.